Okay guys, so welcome to our volunteer house. This is pretty much the accommodation that we use for all our volunteers while you live in Cape Town and while you work in Cape Town or volunteer in Cape Town. This is observatory. The area is absolutely amazing, very, very quiet, as you can see during the day. Not many people up and down here. So yeah, we've chosen this location pretty much because it's 10 minutes from the city center, it's 15 minutes from the beach. It's a very, very central location. And also the other reason is we've got a lot of students in this area because we're situated very, very close to our big university, the University of Cape Town. So I'm going to take you on a little tour of the house. Security, very, very big thing for us. Okay, so each gate that we've got in the house is sort of keypad entrance. So if I can show it to you over there, pretty much each volunteer is given a access code the minute you arrive, so you have to punch that in to get in and out of the house. So let's head inside. Okay, the first thing we have when we walk into the house is the manager's room. We basically have a manager living here full time, so he's here 24/7. Whatever you need, you basically just come knock on his door and he'll sort you out. Right? Moving in, we've got the second keypad entry. Okay, so as I mentioned previously, we've got 5 bedrooms in each house. I think only one of them is actually open right now. It's not occupied, so I'll show you that on the other side. But pretty much these houses are identical. So this is number 5 Perth Road. The one next door is number 7 Perth. Like I said, you'll see it for yourself. It's exactly the same. So we've got the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bedrooms, and then you can come through. Right. On this side, we've got our showers and toilet facilities. You can just come through. So these are pretty much shared facilities over here. So we've got the 3 showers on this side, 1 shower cubicle on that side, and then 3 toilets. These are shared by all our volunteers, so we don't separate them by gender or anything like that. It's pretty much a communal area. And then moving through to our first kitchen, if I can put it that way. We've got Cynthia, the star of the house. She's the mother of the house. If you don't clean up after yourself, you'll be in trouble with this lady. You don't want to be in trouble with this lady. So basically, like I said, over here we've got everything is pretty much open for you guys. We've got a fridge for you to store everything. It's fully equipped with kettles, toasters, sandwich press, microwaves, everything you literally need. So like I said, for breakfast, we basically have the hostel manager who puts everything out for you. Cereals, toast, tea, coffee, fruit, yogurt, everything like that. You sort yourself out in the mornings. And then if we move through to the back of the house, we've got my lovely assistant, Roxanne. Okay, say hi, Roxanne. So basically this is a little entertainment area. We've got this main table, which then doubles up as a pool table. So we spend a lot of our evenings here. We've got the dartboard there and of course our barbecue facilities as well. We try to have a barbecue at least once a week. That's just a nice sort of gathering and sort of event for our volunteers each week. And then you come through and we've got one of our TV rooms. So yeah, we've got our first TV room over here, full cable TV. So basically you've got hundreds of music channels and movie channels and whatever you need up there. It's set up. The nice thing is, like I said, we've got 2 of everything. So generally we have the boys here watching sports, and on the other side we've got our reality TV going. So you have full access to both houses at all times. You just come through. It's literally just these 2 doors that separate the one side from the other. You come through, we've got a little sort of back area here where everybody can hang their, you can hang your laundry and everything. You come through to the second house. So yeah, again, the exact same setup this side, fridge, kettle, everything, it's fully equipped over here. Then on this side, it's slightly different from the cubicle setup on that side where we've got, individual sort of bathrooms, toilets, should I put it? Right, you come through, so we've got the 1, 2 toilets over here, a 3rd one, and then of course the 3 shower in the cubicle setup that we saw in the other house. You move through and we've got the 2nd TV room, pretty much identical. Again, cable TV, we've got a little dining area over there. But yeah, so these are the spaces that are basically open to all of you. Of course you have your individual rooms, but these spaces are, open for everyone. This is where we spend our evenings, just chilling, okay? Then we move through. So the one room that we have available for you is over here. So this is your basic bedroom setup. In this one, we've got a 6-sleeper, so it's basically the bunk beds, and each volunteer is allocated a locker like that. You basically bring your own padlock, you keep everything stored in there, all your, your cash, passports, basically all your valuables you've got to keep stored in there at all times. Yeah, so we'll have 6 people here, but generally, you know, we work on about 3 or 4 in a room like this, unless it gets to a really, really busy season where we've actually got 6 people. So this would be your room setup for the time that you're here. The nice thing about this side is we've got a little outside area. This is the tanning zone in summer, okay? Yeah, so this is pretty much just a nice chill area again for you guys, you know, again, just a nice outside area for you guys to relax during your free time. But yeah, that's pretty much our house. It's really, really an awesome vibe. And like I said, the main thing that sort of sells this house is the fact that we've got such a diverse group of people here at all times. We've got Dutch, we've got German, we've got Italians, French, everything. So you're definitely going to make friends for life over here. So we look forward to having you in Cape Town.